Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Check your iPhone model and iOS version in Settings right arrow General right arrow About and make sure the phone is unlocked. Once done, connect to the Wi-Fi network you want to inspect and stay on that network. This is important because iOS shows the MAC per network. Now open Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Make sure the connected network has the blue check mark. These initial checks save time and prevent confusion later. You now tap the blue info icon next to the active network to open its details. This is where Apple hides the address. Look for the line labeled Wi-Fi address. This is your device's real MAC for that network. If you see a private address toggle turned on, that means iOS is using a randomized MAC. Turn it off and reconnect to reveal the hardware MAC. Make sure to re-enable privacy afterward if you need randomized MACs for privacy reasons. Finish by copying the Wi-Fi address exactly. Use colons or dashes per your destination form and double-check characters. Once you've recorded it, you can re-enable private address for privacy or leave it off if the network needs a static MAC. If you don't see any MAC listed, restart Wi-Fi, reboot the iPhone, and confirm there's no mobile device management blocking access. One key troubleshooting tip: if corporate settings hide the MAC, contact the network admin. Do not try unsupported workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.